Fernandez, no entry. One more time. Taps it over, read by the defense. Kim Kiana drops a message, return to sender. Here comes Fernandez. Nowhere to go. We arrive at set point.
Kill block for Mika Reyes. Nakakatakot talaga yung PLDT as a team. Kasi pag bumalik na si Del Palomata,
Naku, isa pa.
Alea Malaluan.
Pumapalo sa wall, parang drill. Mabalik lang yung bola. Naku, regalo. Ako.
Reyes and the set.
Back-to-back points for Mika Reyes, and she will win it for the high-speed hitters. 2 sets to love against Nextler.
Point of the set brought to you by Myra, the Vibrant Rider with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. And 2 sets are pocketed in and taken care of by PLDT.